Hello, hello. It's a late night video with Debbie instead of an early morning video. I am going to pop together a little video to show you how to use our glow polishes and to make them a little more intense in color on your mani. So if you're looking to pop up the color that you see here, here's a couple ways you can do that. The first one is to simply double stamp. So I'm using plate number, what do we got here? PMC 87. And I'm going to lift a layer and pop it onto my prepped mani, ready to go. Oops, missed the corner here. Let's go back and pop that down. I was trying not to get the extra little bits I lifted up that I didn't clean off. Instead, I left behind a bit of my image. So we'll clean up this little piece that I didn't clean off. And that guy ended up going down beautifully. So we're golden. Keep going. All right, I'm going to give this a little clean just so that I get nice sharp edges. Probably didn't need to clean it to lift it twice, but just to make sure. All right, so same exact steps. Go ahead and lift that again. Clean up all this extra stuff that I don't want on my nail, especially when it's glow polish. It'll show up no matter what. And then I'm going to simply just lay another layer right on top of this one. And we have clear stampers, so we can do that. Just take your time. Get it laid over so that it's now doubled. And look how much more intense that color is. So, if you want it even more intense, you can go a third time. 2 times though, honestly, gives a beautiful amount of color. So let's take an outline. Just gonna use black. Go ahead and lift that as normal. And I missed that corner. I'm lifting way too light tonight. And we do need it. I don't want it to be missing. Let's do it again quick. And you gotta be light, but you gotta be complete. Okay, there we go. And now we'll pop this guy into place. Like so. And now let me show you way number 2 that you can pop up the color, punch up the color of your glow polish here. So this pretty orange that we're using, underneath it, let's pop 150. Bright, sparkly, I guess it's deep, bright, just a beautiful orange color. So we're gonna use that first in exactly the same way. Roll over and pick up that color. Get rid of the little extra bits. And then I'll put this guy right beside. So there we've already got intense color. And now we'll come along with this guy. Let's give him a little clean up. And we'll come with our glow. In number 2, that's the orange we're using, is glow number 2. Same one we used for the double stamp that we put on the top of this nail. And exactly the same. Now we're just gonna pop this guy right over top. And roll it forward. And now you've got a much more intense orange with the glow over top. So you're still gonna have that glowing when the lights go out. It will be more intense on the one that you double stamped because it's got double the amount of glow polish on it, so it's a little more intense. And as soon as we get this outline on here, I will take you back in the dark and we'll show you the glow and show you the difference. Clean off all our extra black bits here that we picked up, don't want on our nail. And get our outline on here. Just take your time, get it where you need it. There we go. 2 orange leaves. One very intense and one not as intense. So there's the double stamp of that guy there. And then this was the single of 150 with glow number 2 over top. So let's pop on a top coat here using a gel top coat. And that'll be good because once it comes out of the light, then the glow will be charged up or energized, as we say, to give you that intense glow. So you either have to do that in an LED light or in the sunlight, or they need to be activated in order to glow. So that will get them glowing so we can see them in the dark. Let's give it a 45-second cure here. We probably don't have to do the full cure. I'm not worried about that polish curing completely because it's just for demo purposes here. No one's wearing it, so let's call that good. So there is our nail, and we're ready to head for the dark. I'm gonna pick you up. Hopefully I don't swing too fast here and make anybody nauseous. And we'll go right into the darkness over here. Ooh, there it is. Close the door so we don't have to listen to the radio. All right, so that one on the top that you see glowing a little more intensely, that's the one that we double stamped. And then the 150 with the glow over top is the one that's down below. So as you can see, they both glow and they both give you that much more intense color, if that is what you're looking for your mani. All right, set you back down. Set myself back down. And there we go. So you can do that with all of the colors in any combination. If you want to use the purple, the blue, the yellow, pinks, pop a brighter one below and that thin layer of your glow over top, and you'll have that much more intense look. These are sheer, so you can see the color through. They're sheer, so double stamping gives you that more intense pigment, of course. So many different options, but that double stamping, it's not tricky. It's just take your time to line it up, and you can even go triple if you so desire, if you want to make it even more intense. All right, well, I hope that helps. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and we will pop together as many more videos as questions that we get. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your night, and we will see you in the next video.